Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting up close and personal with a machine that defines reliability, the 2026 Yamaha Kodiak 700 EPS. If your ATV is less of a toy and more of a daily partner, tackling fence lines, hauling feed, plowing snow, or just getting you deep into the backcountry, then you know the name Kodiak stands for serious business. This year's 700 EPS is not just an update. It's Yamaha doubling down on its commitment to the hard-working rider. We're putting it through its paces on the farm and the toughest trails we can find. Is this truly the ultimate workhorse? Let's find out. Let's start with what drives this thing. The 2026 Kodiak 700 EPS is powered by Yamaha's potent, big-bore 686 cubic centimeters SOHC 4-stroke engine. Now, the key here isn't just raw horsepower, it's the gearing. It's specifically tuned for low RPM cruising and quiet operation, giving you impressive mid-range grunt right when you need it for heavy work. That is absolutely critical when you're towing or pushing through thick mud. Paired with that engine is the legendary Yamaha Ultramatic transmission. This isn't your average CVT system. Yamaha backs this belt with an industry-exclusive 10-year warranty, which tells you everything about their confidence in its durability. It features a gated shifter for high, low, neutral, reverse, and park, and offers natural, all-wheel engine braking. When you're creeping down a steep, slippery hill with a loaded trailer, that engine braking is a game-changer for control and safety. Finally, you have the on-command 4WD system. With a simple push of a button, you can switch between 2WD, limited slip 4WD, and a fully locked differential 4WD. That last setting means true power delivery to all four wheels, pulling you through situations that would leave other ATVs stuck. It's the ultimate in selectable traction. Moving to the bones of the machine, the Kodiak is built on a compact, trail-ready chassis. For the utility user, this is where the money is. First, let's talk capacity. The steel cargo racks are rugged, providing a combined carrying capacity of 308 pounds, 110 up front, and 198 in the rear. That's enough for tools, feed, or serious hunting gear. More importantly for farm work, it comes standard with a center-mounted, heavy-duty 2-inch receiver hitch, allowing it to tow a substantial 1,300 pounds. We tested this with a fully loaded utility trailer, and the Kodiak didn't flinch. Now for the ride and ground clearance. We're looking at an impressive 10.8 inches of maximum ground clearance, and a full set of composite skid plates running the length of the underbelly. This ATV is clearly designed to avoid hang-ups on rocks, stumps, and deep ruts. The suspension uses an independent double wishbone design, with 7.1 inches of travel up front and 9.1 inches in the rear. The shocks are 5-way adjustable for preload, allowing you to dial in the ride height and stiffness whether you're loaded down for a job or stripped light for a trail ride. It's a true blend of comfort and utility. A full day on the job or a long day on the trail can wear you out. Yamaha understands that, and the EPS, or electric power steering, is the hero here. This is a speed-sensitive system that significantly reduces steering effort, especially at low speeds or when the front differential is locked. It helps to virtually eliminate the jolt and fatigue you feel when fighting to keep your line over a rocky section. For us, this is a non-negotiable feature for serious use. Ergonomically, the Kodiak feels just right. Despite its big-bore performance, the body design is relatively compact, giving you excellent maneuverability and boosting rider confidence. The long, plush seat is comfortable for those extended stints, and the layout gives you plenty of room to shift your weight when the terrain gets aggressive. For controls, the Kodiak features a compact all-LCD instrument cluster, giving you clear info on speed, gear, fuel, and 4WD status. You've also got standard paired halogen headlights and, critically, a handlebar-mounted halogen work light that moves with you, an absolute must for those late nights wrapping up chores or making it back to camp. A workhorse is only as good as its lifespan, and Yamaha's reputation for bulletproof reliability is legendary. The 2026 Kodiak carries on that tradition. They've engineered the ATV with durability in mind from the ground up. Take the high-mounted air intake, for instance. It increases power while keeping water and debris away from the engine. The separate drive system air intake does the same for the Ultramatic belt, keeping the temperature down and ensuring the longevity that warrants that 10-year belt warranty. Full composite skid plates mean you can drag it over abuse without worrying about damaging crucial components. And let's not forget the detail work. The rugged composite front bumper resists scratching and rust, and the overall construction is designed to simplify maintenance. The toolless air filter access, for example, is a small detail that saves you major time in the field. This vehicle is built to take a beating and ask for more, which is exactly what a utility ATV should be. So, who should be buying the 2026 Yamaha Kodiak 700 EPS? This ATV lives in the sweet spot between full-size utility and manageable, confident trail capability. If you are a rancher, a serious hunter who needs to pack in and pack out heavy loads, or a property owner who relies on an ATV every single day, the Kodiak 700 EPS is your machine. It has the big bore power, the incredible towing capacity, and the legendary Ultramatic durability to handle the toughest jobs. But thanks to the electric power steering, the comfortable ergonomics, and the excellent ground clearance, it's also a blast to ride on a weekend trail. It truly is one of the best multi-purpose, value-driven ATVs on the market today. It blends job site toughness with all-day comfort, and that's a winning combination. We hope this review gave you the deep dive you were looking for on the 2026 Yamaha Kodiak 700 EPS. If you're in the market for a new workhorse, you absolutely need to put this one on your short list. Let us know in the comments below, what's the toughest job you'd put the Kodiak through? If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button, subscribe for more ATV and off-road content, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.